guys? Excited back there? He's holding on.
Ready to go, I'm holding on.
Slowly start lifting up that collective, and it's going to get us to near. So start lifting that up. Keep going. A little bit more, there you go. Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
So that collective there controls the up and down. We're going to move it back just a little bit. We're going out with the stick. So if you want to go up, you pull it up like that. There, exactly. If you want to go down, you push it down a little bit just to, you feel that? And back up so we don't hit the ground. There you go, you got it. All right, now you're going to use this stick and you're going to push forward nice and easy to start going forward. So push forward, a little bit more. You got it. There you go. Push forward, push more forward. We're going to start getting some speed here. Now that we got some speed, we can start climbing. So start pulling back nice and easy. We're then going to go straight to the beach. Straight up. You got a pilot right here.
Absolutely natural.
This here, we're coming into Highland Beach here. Well, this is actually considered Boca. You can see all the waterways, all the canals. Hey, you get a boat ride today too, I see. Delray Beach, yep. See the Marriott, and you have bosses on the beach. That's Atlantic Avenue. That's my house right there on the left. This here is the Boynton Beach Inlet here. And then from this side on, it's called Manalapan. You can see some really wealthy houses here. You got, this guy's got his golf course, that house, 1, 2, and there's one more, 3 guest houses in the back.
It's a very wealthy area.
Yeah.
It's a great homestead.
You can see this house right here, they have 2 swimming pools. A swimming pool in the front, swimming pool in the back, the pond in the front. This is the Palm Beach Ritz-Carlton. They just changed the name last week or 2 weeks ago. Now it's called the EU. This island right here is called Hypoluxo Island. How'd you like the ride?
Great.
You enjoyed it? All right.
Really nice.
Did you?
Yeah.
You like the ride?
Yeah.
Awesome.